Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents What Your Birth Month Reveals About You. Have you ever wondered how your birth month affects the type of person you become? Wonder no more. Watch the video and find out what your birth month has to say about your personality. January. The first month of the year, January, have their people have strong ethics regarding work. They will never hesitate to raise their voices regarding their opinions. They will not hesitate to tell you if they disagree with your opinion. Such people usually turn out to be really good leaders because of their drive to succeed as well as persistence, but at the same time, they are not very good at listening to other people's opinions. February. Relationships are incredibly important to people born in February, and one of your main characteristics is your empathy for others. Finding that special person is a lifelong goal for you, and if you do not succeed, you can become depressed and negative. You have a caring heart and will make a great parent. March. March born are often very lucky people, often in the right place at the right time. You have the potential to make a lot of money but can also lose it quickly. You are prone to addiction and vices. Relationships do not always suit you as you are prone to being unfaithful, but when you fall in love, it is of the very deep kind. April. Active and dynamic, decisive and hasty but tends to regret, attractive and affectionate to oneself, strong mentally, loves attention, diplomatic, consoling, friendly and solves people's problems, brave and fearless, adventurous, loving and caring, suave and generous, emotional, aggressive, hasty, good memory, moving, motivates oneself and others, sickness usually of the head and chest. May. Ruled by your need for self-expression, people born in May are often talented musicians, actors, writers or creatives. You have a great amount of respect for your friends, the authorities and institutions such as the sanctity of marriage. June. June borns are polite and soft-spoken. They are very talkative yet hesitate to initiate conversations. They are very fussy and temperamental but still famous with people because of their talent for being funny and humorous. They are very creative and have a lot of ideas. Being very sensitive, they can get easily hurt and take their own sweet time to conceal their wounds. They are brand conscious and love to dress up. July. You care deeply about your family and will go to great lengths to maintain and protect your relationships with them. You can be cynical and sarcastic and a bit of a loner, which can confuse those who care for you. You are quite eccentric, especially when it comes to the way you dress and your lifestyle habits. August. You are susceptible to developing health-related problems from working too hard. You are too generous and egoistic. You take high pride in oneself and are thirsty for praises. You are easily angered when provoked. You are also jealous. You think on your feet and you have independent thoughts. September. You are destined to play many roles in your lifetime. You are intelligent and spiritual, but tend to take adversity very personally. You are susceptible to depression. Avoid listening to your inner critic. A tendency to overanalyze situations can also get you into trouble. You are very confident and comfortable in talking to a group. October. You are naturally very lucky. When you decide on a goal, you almost always meet it. You can be very argumentative when crossed, and you are an expert in revenge and deceit. You are always making new friends. You are very opinionated and you do not care what others think. November. November folks are psychic, empathic, and positive human being. Your own sensitivity can lead you to develop stress-related health and psychological problems sometimes. However, when you overcome your weaknesses, you can be a great teacher and an inspiration for others. December. People born in December will live in a stable lifestyle, and you are a practical philosopher. Your strong luck makes wealth and love follow you. Sometimes you may have an ignorant approach towards your responsibilities. Your strong luck can make you overconfident about yourself, which can make you take risks sometimes. So, did you find out what your birth month is revealing about you? If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.